probably slide through there, can't you?
Yeah, what in the world happened?
Looks like somebody probably turned in front of somebody.
Oh my goodness.
Just ease your way through there.
Alrighty. Yeah, I'd say there's a little bang up. He said to go, I'm going through there. He said to go through there. Well, I know, I understand. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, he chewed me out. Don't do it. I'll go around. This woman waits till I turn before she pulls out. Well, anyway, on past that. Anyway, I got my tire on. I've rode it a few days, and actually, like this morning and yesterday morning, it was pouring rain. And it does real good. It's that Shinko 700 series. I've noticed that when I bought it, it said SR700, but then on the tire it says E700. Why that is, I don't know. But and then I see them just say on Shinko's side it says 700 series. So, but anyway, it does good in the water. Rain on the wet pavement. When it was brand new, of course it was dry pavement. They really slide, so you got to be careful till you get them broke in. Get the greasy part wore off of them. But so far it's been good. It's been good on the dirt, real good on the gravel. Now it's not as good as the Michelin T63 when the Michelin T63 was brand new. But that Michelin T63 to me was only good while it was new. Once it got a little wear on it, I didn't like it at all. So it was probably one of the worst tires I bought. I had some Dunlop D606s on a DR650 SE one time, and it's good. But anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please click on subscribe and click the thumbs up on the videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.